Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanCho.com. I want to talk to you about post-bankruptcy and what you should be thinking and doing. If you're in a Chapter 13 and you're getting out of a 13 and you haven't reestablished credit yet, you got to get some credit cards. If you're in the 13, if they allow you to get credit cards, go ahead and get them because you can get a mortgage while you're in a 13. So why would you want to get credit cards while you're in a 13 and before you get a mortgage? Because you want to get your score up. Right now in this COVID environment we're in, the low scores are really hard to get done because we have to charge so much money in discount points. So the higher your score is, the better your rate's going to be. You don't have to by rule, but it'll help. Now when it comes to Chapter 7, once you're discharged, you got a 2-year waiting period before you can even apply for an FHA loan or VA loan. And during that 2-year window, if you open a credit card and you're late on it, you're dead in the water. It's an automatic disqualification from any loan. So don't be late in that 2-year window post Chapter 7. Don't be late on a credit card in a 13 either. During or just after the 13, it's an automatic disqualification. So I recommend you open credit cards. We have some that'll open up for you right away, but I recommend you get some on your own, get some secured credit cards, because again, you want to establish credit. You want the computer in 2 years after the 7 to say you're approved, and you want to have a good credit score. So you want to reestablish your credit. It's really good for you in terms of the underwriting versus not having any at all and having to maybe switch to an alternative credit program after a Chapter 7. During a 13, your payment history to the trustee is a payment history, but after a 7, 2 years, if you've opened no credit, it's a little trickier to get a loan done. You can do it, but it's a little trickier. So I recommend you open credit cards post any bankruptcy and pay them on time. If you don't pay them on time, you're dead in the water. So be careful with them. So open them up. If you need some tips, give me a call. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Thanks.